Alright, we got the heads all cleaned up. So, I gotta decide what we're gonna do to make them go fast. Probably nothing. Looks like a good valve job already on them. Exhaust is a little bit constipated through there, but for low RPM motor, it's good. Keeps velocity up. Yeah. Take a nice cheapy valve job, all it needs. Nothing special. Let's see if these valves are ground straight, unlike that last one. This one looks better already. It's equal. The margin looks equal all the way around. Alright, so we're going to clean these up, see what they look like. I thought he was going to blast that. He didn't blast it that good. Go back and blast these off. He left too much crap on them. It's hard to get good help. Intakes will pass. Exhaust didn't quite get the carbon off. Alright, it's just hard to get good help. What can I say? Alright, go over and use our stones again. Right down there in the stone department. So we need a pilot though, don't we? Ugh. Oh, these are stupid metric valves. That makes it hard. I don't think I have a metric pilot. Let me go over and get me a metric pilot at all. Let's see how close we get to a pilot we can use. That's not going to work. See, that's way too loose. That don't work. Let's go to the other end. Try this one. Nope. Nope. Too small, and the next one's too big, as I recall. Ooh, it goes in that far. Goes in that much. How much do you want to go in? Yeah, that's not enough. Ah. So I need a pilot that's smaller than this one. What is that? It's at like 7/32 or something. +7 or something. Can't read the end of it. So it needs to be have a thou or two taken off is what needs to be done. Then it'll fit in the guide. So do I take this pilot and destroy it by cutting it down? See, that one goes in there. Why are these mixed up? There, see, that's mixed up. That one went in the hole. How about the next one? What's the next one do? No, tight again. I think that's one I just did. How about this one? Oh! I think these pilots are mixed up. Who mixed up all these pilots up here? There's a big row of them up here. I have to go through and check all these out. These are not in order. Now that's a tight one. This one's definitely too big. But this one's got rust all over it. See, this one won't even begin to go in the hole. Goes in there like that and stops, see? Okay, I think someone's up here mixing up all my pilots. So what we're going to do is we're going to figure out which one's which. Okay, that one's too loose. These are supposed to be in order. So I got 3 of them to choose from. That one definitely goes in for. That'd be the next one up in size. This one here too big. That one goes in a little bit further, so that's the one that's just right. Alright, see, these are all mixed up. Dad had the right stuff. He just got mixed up over the years. It's got a bunch of dirt and corrosion because it's never been used in the last 30, 40 years. So we'll have to clean that up to make it usable. Alright, we can do that. We know how to do that around here. Do is lay the heads over here. Take our can of CRC right here. And we lubricate it. That softens up all this crap that's collected over the years on here. If I had a little scrub pad, that would help a little bit, but we'll just use my fingers. We don't want to get too fancy around here. Okay, now that's a lot smoother. So now we just take it and run it down the hole. That was a little tight. Could be a little grit in the hole too. Where's the other pilot at? So we're going to get the smaller pilot. Going to lubricate it. Going to run it down the hole a few times, and if there's any sand or debris in there, it'll knock it out. I had to fire you.
Talking on the job?
Yep. Left in the middle of the job. High priority job and you left. Clean your heads out here to make them so we can use them. There we go. Look, that one goes on.
Yeah, you see so.
That one's a little tight. Alright, so between these two are the ones we're going to use. Alright, so I got my two pilots. I got two heads. What else do we need? Ground. We got ground. The camera's not working very good. I have to fire you twice. Same day. We did a big motor last time. That's not you. Small valves.
Little guy.
Yep. You're on an Evo motor. We got to put small valves back in your twin cam. Like my holding fixture. That's too small. Ah! Don't pinch your finger in there, it hurts. Yeah, it did hurt. Oh, that is gritty feeling. When was the last time you cleaned up valve stem out?
When I first got the bike.
It's got grit and stuff in there. Carbon buildup. Yeah, pinched. Oh, jeez. Kind of got a seat around it now. Except for where it's dark over here and I can't see. Why is it dark over here? Did you not pay the electric bill? Oh, let there be light. Oh, there's the problem. not hitting over here. That can of CRC right there. Cute. Yeah, not quite coming in. I'm thinking your valve guide holes are a little off center. Probably because all the grit, junk in there, and carbon buildup.
Think so?
Maybe. I'm guessing it's pushing it to one way or the other. Yeah. I don't like that one. It's pretty far off. Try this one. This one feels better. Same little spot, right there. Seems to be a recurring problem. Looks a little better. Good. Let's go back to this one. Yep, same direction.
What's that?
Hey, it's coming in finally. All right. We can hear you over here, you know. Too much on that one. Go to a smaller one.
I'm gonna call you back. Let me help them out. I'll call you back, beautiful.
Oh, that got tight.
All right.
Vice it off. Alright. Go down to a small exhaust. That's not it. That's not it. That might work. I think that's what I used last time. I don't remember. These things are pretty small exhaust valves. That's not 45, is it?
Okay.
No. You want your exhaust valves?
Exhaust?
Yeah.
Yeah. You need it?
Yes. The exhaust would be the small one. Need one. Check to see what size it is. Yeah, that should work. Came right in. So your intakes suck, but the exhausts are good. Just that one up.
Put that one up on the desk?
No. What's the workbench? Clean, right?
Yes, sir.
Is this floor clean?
Not really.
What do you think's coming off of these stones?
What, rock?
Grit and grinding dust.
So we don't want that on our table.
So that's all dirty, right?
Correct.
You want that in your motor?
No, sir.
Don't put it on the workbench. If you want clean parts, you gotta keep your stuff clean. Kind of gritsy. Rotate again just to make sure it's good. That's better. All right. Oh. See your seats now?
Beautiful.
Maybe. Now we give them a quick lap. See if they're any good. But first, it's got to go clean some valves because somebody didn't clean the valves off. Who was that?
I want to use that somebody. Mystery man.
See all this carbon right here?
Yes, sir.
Remember I told you blast this junk off?
You want me to clean them then re-blast them?
These two here. So go blast these two. I need the two intakes. Those you did an adequate job. See, there's no carbon buildup in there. See?
Correct.
So go blast those two and hurry up. You're holding up production around here. All right. Put this stuff away. See which one is tight, which one's small. Just a small one. So this time I put an order up here. So next time I can do these jobs, it won't be a problem. Okay, now I go ahead and slop the seats in here. Blow the gritsies off. We need to grind these valves though too, so we're going to grind these. So, be back a second.